Okay, quickly guys, this video is to show you. I've already released a video on how to connect your coin. This one is to show you how you can connect your Pancakeswap. Yes, a lot of you are already familiar with this, and even with the mobile phone I already showed that. Okay, but this is just a form of emphasis, you understand? So when you copy the address to where the this thing, where the token or where the pre-sale is holding, let's be the address of pancakes sorry, not pancakes the address of pink sale or dx sale or unicrypt, whatever, cdfi, gamefi, anyone that you are using. Okay, you just paste it on your dab, the Trust Wallet or MetaMask or Wallet Connect, and then you go to that platform where, if you watch the previous videos I've posted, you already know how to get your contract address and stuff like that. So it's that contract address that you need in this phase when you want to take your profits from, you know, a coin that you just, invested in the pre-sale and has made the 1.5x, 2x, whatever kind of x that it has made, and you want to withdraw your money, whether you want to withdraw everything or you want to withdraw partial profit. All you have to do is connect your wallet. I'm using MetaMask. I don't think I want to connect anything. Okay, I think my wallet has been trying to connect to several this thing recently, but I've not agreed to connect anyone to connect to anyone of those dApps. Okay, so, and it's locked currently. I do not want to connect my wallet. Okay, if you have watched the other videos, you know how to connect your wallet. You understand? So that's it. You connect your wallet, and then connecting your wallet, the next thing you have to do is to go to the session trade. Trade. By this time around, you already know where to get your contract address for the coin you must have purchased from. So you click on this. Why you're clicking on this is so that that coin will be at the top, while BNB will be at the bottom, because you are withdrawing back to BNB, right? So all you have to do is, since the coin is not yet here, you have copied the contract address like I showed you in the other videos, even the one for coin. You come and paste it here, and the coin will pop up. Let's say the coin's name is Belt. It pops up, and then you already know how many profits you've made. You just come to the BNB section. Okay, let's say you want to withdraw. Let's say you want to withdraw 0.2. Sorry, this thing is not yet safe. Let's say you want to withdraw 0.2 BNB. You just click on it. 0.2 BNB of that coin is what you want to withdraw. And then you click on this. Okay, I'm not connected, but if you are connected, it will show you swap. Then you swap, and then it charges you some gas fee. It's very simple. Sometimes when the gas fee is not enough and it's not working, you just have to come click on this stuff that says setting. You can see the setting icon, this icon. Click on it. When you click on it, you can actually change your percentage. You understand? Automatically, sometimes it gives you 0.5% slippage. You understand? But if it's not enough, you can alternate it. You can take it to one. You can increase it to maybe two. You can increase it to up to five, depending. So, and what causes this thing actually that you need high gas is sometimes is the contract, the way they design the contract, that it charges you a lot. I don't know, some projects are scamming, even though they still make a lot of profit too. And sometimes it's traffic. In fact, most of the time it's traffic. So for when there's a lot of traffic and you really want to withdraw money, you have to pay higher gas fee. So this is just the alternative there. Thank you guys. This video is meant to be very, very short, and thankfully it is. All right.